Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick video here. I just got done posting changing out that DPFE valve, EGR valve, and I'll tell you what I just realized. Ever since I've had this truck, I bought it with 210,000 miles on it, and now it has 137,000 on it right now. But I've always had an exhaust leak, and I thought it was one of the manifolds was leaking, and I was going to have to change out, pull pretty much the whole manifold off, clean it up, and then either silicone it on or put some new gaskets on it and rebolt it all up. Well, after driving it here about 5 miles, my exhaust leak is gone. So if anybody's having an exhaust leak, you might check out those hoses, those valves to that valve, and maybe that's where your exhaust leak's coming from. Like I said, I looked and I can never ever see a spot on my manifolds where they were leaking at. I just thought just had maybe a crack in it somewhere that I couldn't see. But anyways, I wanted to do a quick update on that. The truck seems to be running fine. No check engine. That check engine hasn't came back on. So yeah, it's all good. Again, if you got an exhaust leak and can't track where it's coming from, check those hoses out on that EGR valve or that DPFE valve on the driver's side. Maybe one of your hoses got a burn in it, and ripped or missing or whatever, and that would cause your exhaust leak at driving. Which I never really heard my exhaust leak besides on startup and driving here. Anyways, want to do that video real quick just in case anybody's having problems with an exhaust leak, and maybe that's it. Maybe I can help you guys out. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.